Hello, good morning children. How are you? I hope you are fine. Yesterday we have completed our two chapters, that was Black Aeroplane and First Flight. And I have also given you the important questions related to these chapters. I hope you have you can written these questions, but I am not getting the homework properly, so you are required to give me the homework. Is that clear? Understand? Now what we are going to discuss, our next chapter is from the diary of Anne Frank. This is a girl who was controlled, whose country was controlled in Nazis. So हिटलर के टाइम का चैप्टर है ये. First of all, I will explain you about the girl Anne Frank. Then we will discuss the chapter. These are the word meaning. Okay. So what I am going to teach you, you should listen me. Before we read, we are going to discuss this. Annalise Marie Anne Frank was born in June 1929, Feb or March, and 1945 was a German. Born Jewish girl who was wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. ये डायरी है एक बच्ची की जो जर्मन एक नाजी थी खुद, और वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ छुपी हुई थी. कब? जब जर्मनी ने नीदरलैंड पे अटैक किया तब 1942 में जो वर्ल्ड वार हुआ था, 1939 से शुरू हुआ था, उसमें सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार की बात है. हर फैमिली हैड मूव टू एम्स्टर्डम आफ्टर द नाजीज गेन पावर इन जर्मनी. जब नाजीवाद जो था ना, जब उनको जर्मनी में पावर मिला तो उसकी फैमिली मूव कर गई थी एम्स्टर्डम में. बट वर ट्रैप्ड व्हेन द नाजी ऑक्यूपेशन एक्सटेंडेड इनटू द नीदरलैंड्स. लेकिन वहां पे ट्रैप कर लिया गया जब नीदरलैंड तक नाजी लोगों का अधिकार हो गया. एज ए प्रिकॉशंस अगेंस्ट द ज्यूइश पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज्ड. ज्यूइश पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो गई, उनसे बचाव के लिए the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. So what happened there? The family had moved in father's office to protect themselves so that they cannot be attacked by the German people. After 2 years in hiding, how many years they hide there? 2 years. The group was battered and transported to the concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister. उसको एक ऐसी जगह पे भेज दिया गया ट्रैप करने के बाद में, जहाँ पे कंसंट्रेशन कैंप होता है वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे एन की बीमारी से डेथ हो गई थी. The only survivor of the group was Otto. Returned to Amsterdam after the war ended. जब वार खत्म हुआ तो उनकी फैमिली का एक बंदा बचा था, ओटो, वो जो वापस आया. To find that her diary had been saved. क्या देखा उसने कि उसकी डायरी बची या नहीं बची. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of Young Girl. तब उसने इस डायरी को, जब वो लड़की वहाँ पे रहती थी 2 साल, तब उसने वो डायरी लिखी थी कि उसके जो एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहे, वो क्या मतलब लिखती थी और क्या सोचती थी अपनी डायरी के बारे में कि लोग उसे पसंद करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. क्योंकि एक छोटी बच्ची है, छोटी बच्ची की डायरी को पढ़ने में लोग बहुत कम इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, कि उनकी ये सोच होती है कि ये बच्ची क्या लिखेगी, कबूतरों की कहानियाँ, मंकीज, जानवरों के बारे में, और क्या कर सकती है. लेकिन इतनी शानदार डायरी लिखी उसने, उसको पढ़ेंगे अपन. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles in the event of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. 12 June 1942 से 1 अगस्त 1944 तक जो मैटर था डायरी के अंदर, वो मेंशन किया गया था. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. That was Dutch language. That was written in the Dutch language, और Dutch language में इस डायरी को काफ़ी लैंग्वेजेस में चेंज किया था. एंड ये मोस्ट ऑफ जो सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ने वाली बुक्स हैं उसमें से फेमस हुई है। डिस्क्राइब एज द वर्क ऑफ ए मैच्योर एंड इंसाइटफुल माइंड। एक छोटी बच्ची, लेकिन जब उस लोगों ने उसको पढ़ा तब पता चला कि ये मैच्योर माइंड की लिखी हुई है। ऐसा ऐसा कुछ लिखा था उसमें। द डायरी प्रोवाइड्स एन इंटीमेट एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ ए डेली लाइफ अंडर नाजीज ऑक्यूपेशन। क्या था उसके अंदर डायरी में? नाजीज के कंट्रोल में जब वो लोग थे तब जो डेली रूटीन उस डायरी के अंदर बताई गई थी उस गर्ल के द्वारा, वो एक्सप्लेनेशंस दिए गए हैं इसमें। एन फ्रैंक हैज बिकम वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिनोन एंड डिस्कस्ड ऑफ द हॉलोकॉस्ट विक्टिम्स। वो लड़की बहुत फेमस हुई उस डायरी को लोगों ने जब पढ़ा। तो हमने ये देखा कि ड्यूरिंग द कंट्रोल ऑफ नाजीज द गर्ल was living with her family, but because of some we can say disease, the girl was died and one person was saved there, and who tried to find out the diary, and he published the diary in many languages. And you know, people would not take any interest when the child writes something. जैसे लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, नॉवल पढ़ लेंगे, उपन्यास पढ़ लेंगे, या कुछ जासूसी कहानियां पढ़ लेते हैं। बड़े जो लोग होते हैं, बड़े लोग जो समझदार होते हैं, छोटी बच्ची की डायरी के प्रति कोई आकर्षित नहीं होता। लेकिन उस बच्ची ने उस डायरी में इतना अच्छा लिखा कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों के द्वारा पढ़े जाने वाली बुक हो गई। इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. The girl was saying कि writing a diary is a strange experience for someone like me. Why? Not only because I have never written anything before. क्यों? The girl was saying that I have never taken a pen to write anything before. I did not write anything. But also because it seems to me that later on, neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musing of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. What the girl was saying? Ki after me, after I had written, nobody will take interest in this writing, or we can say in this diary, because I am a 13-year-old girl. Who would take interest to read this diary? Oh well, it doesn't matter. लेकिन मेरे लिए ये कोई बात नहीं। I feel like writing. I think that I should write, and I have an even greater need to get all kind of things off my chest. And what she was saying, a lot of things, lot of thoughts are running in my mind, lot of confusion are running in my mind, and I want to, we can say, note down them. मैं उनको लिखकर एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, एक्सप्रेस करूंगी। मेरी जो फीलिंग्स हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस माई फीलिंग इन अ राइटिंग। दैट इज वाई आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू राइट द डायरी। पेपर हैज मोर पैसेंस देन पीपल। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी लाइन है। एंड ये क्वेश्चन भी बनता है कि एक्सप्लेन करो इसको। पेपर हैज मोर पैसेंस देन पीपल। यस, पीपल से पेपर का क्यों पैसेंस? क्योंकि पेपर पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप पेपर के अगेंस्ट भी लिख सकते हो, पेपर के फेवर में भी लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, अपने विचार लिख सकते हो। पेपर थोड़ी रिप्लाई करेगा, है ना? बट पीपल कैन रिप्लाई यू। इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग अगेंस्ट द पीपल, दे कैन गिव रिप्लाई टू यू, इवन दे कैन हर्ट यू, इवन दे कैन पनिश यू, बट यू कैन राइट वॉट एवर यू वांट ऑन द पेपर। दैट इज वाई दिस इज सेड। I thought of this saying one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands. This thought came in our mind when paper has more patience than the people. बहुत important line है कि when this thought came in my mind, when I was sitting in my home, isolated, okay, and I was depressed, okay, and bored and listless. I was getting bored and listless का मतलब था with no energy or interest. Understand? Wondering whether to stay in or go out. And what she was thinking? She was thinking, should I stay or move from the house? I finally stayed where I was, brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, और मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि somebody will read my diary, that is a stiff bucket that is known as a diary, unless I should ever find it a real friend. कब तक? जब तक मैं मेरी डायरी की फीलिंग लोगों को नहीं बताऊंगी, तब तक मुझे एक अच्छा दोस्त नहीं मिल जाए. It probably won't make a bit of difference, but it will not make any difference. Now I am back to the point that promoted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. क्या बात है, कितना अच्छा बोल रही है, यानी कितनी डीप सेंस दे रही है वो लड़की. कह रही है, पहला तो कह रही है कि पेपर हैज मोर पैसेंस देन द पीपल. मैंने तुम लोगों को एक्सप्लेन किया. नेक्स्ट कह रही है कि आई नीड अ फ्रेंड, ए ट्रू फ्रेंड दैट कैन नॉट कंप्लेन मी, that can listen me patiently, that cannot argue with me, that can keep my secret as its own secret, his own or her own secret, and that was own secret, and that was only a person who can make who is my friend, that is my diary. So what the girl decided? The girl decided the diary is her friend. Let me put it more clearly. Since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. What she was saying? She was saying that no one would believe that I am a 13-year-old girl and who is alone in the world. Yes, nobody will believe on that, because लोग परिवार के साथ रहते हैं, फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं. And I am also not alone. Why? I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. मेरे प्यार करने वाले मम्मी पापा, and also having a sister. And there are about 30 people I can call friends. And how many people are there? 30 people. सारे के सारे जर्मनी के द्वारा आइसोलेटेड किए गए थे, ऑक्यूपाइड थे. I have a family, loving aunts and good home. No, on the surface. लेकिन बात तो ये है, सही सच्चाई में क्या? I seem to have everything. मेरे पास सब कुछ था. I have family members and friends, auntie, सब कुछ था. Except my one true friend. But nobody seems that he or she is my true friend. But छोटे बच्चों को कौन टाइम देता था? प्रॉब्लम में तो थे सभी. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. What the girl was thinking, if she would live with a friend, that is a good time for her. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. What she was thinking, that I was not ready to talk to the people, but only I was talking ordinary things. What is happening in the day? What is happening? What will happen in the what will happen tomorrow? What had happened in the past? ये नॉर्मल बातें करने के लिए. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that is the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. Means कह रही है कि I have no need to find out the people to tell my problems, because we are having a fear. We can't believe on the to each other. That is why I was in problem. In any case, that is just how things are, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. कह रही है कि I was unable to change the things. The things were running accordingly. I have no, we can say, power to control the things. That is why I was saying this is why I have started the diary. क्योंकि कह रही है कि मैंने डायरी लिखना शुरू क्यों किया. ये बहुत अच्छी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि why the girl had decided to write the diary, because she need a friend that who can trust on her, who can keep her secret as a secret of her own. But she was unable to find out the friend like that, because the members who were in the family were elders. और सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत क्या थी, वो सभी के सभी प्रॉब्लम में थे. तो छोटी बच्चे की बातें सुनने के लिए किसके पास क्या टाइम होता है. That is why she decided to write a diary as her true friend. To enhance the image of this long-awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the fact in this diary the way most people would do. कह रही है कि जो मेरी फ्रेंडशिप इनहेंस करने के लिए, बढ़ाने के लिए, मेरी इमेजिनेशंस को समझने के लिए जो फ्रेंड चाहिए, I don't want to jot down मतलब था लिखना. The fact in this diary that way most people would do. What normally मैं कुछ लिखना नहीं चाहती, जैसे लोग करते हैं वो नहीं लिखूंगी मैं. But I want to the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. So what was the name of her diary? Kitty. उसने अपनी दोस्त, उसकी दोस्त कौन है? से डायरी. उसने अपनी दोस्त को नाम दिया Kitty. देखो. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? Question number 1. डायरी लिखने में एन फ्रैंक को क्या स्ट्रेंज एक्सपीरियंस लगा? क्योंकि शी वाज नॉट राइटिंग लाइक द अदर पीपल. शी वाज यूजिंग हर ओन लैंग्वेजेस. शी वाज यूजिंग हर ओन थॉट्स. दैट इज व्हाई डज एन वांट टू कीप अ डायरी? बिकॉज शी नीड अ ट्रू फ्रेंड हु कैन कीप हर सीक्रेट. गॉट इट? दैट इज why did Anne think she could confide more in her diary than in people? Because she had not belief on the people. She had great belief on her diary. Okay, that is why she thinking that diary is more closer to me than the people. Since no one would interested a word of my stories to Kitty. कह रहा कि जो किटी में जो स्टोरीज के वर्ड लिख रही हैं, no one would take any interest in these words. If I were to plug right in, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. If I were to plug right in, अगर मैं इसमें सही से लिखना चाहती हूँ तो क्या करेगी? I would better provide a brief sketch of my life. I want to give in the starting of the diary the brief sketch, the complete introduction of myself, of my life, so that the people can understand who am I and what I am going to write. Much as I dislike doing so, लेकिन मैं ऐसा पसंद नहीं करती. My father, the most adorable father, जो प्यार करते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे पापा. Ahar Singh didn't marry my mother until he was 36. मतलब when my father was in 36 years, he married with my mother. Before that, he did not marry with her. And she was 25, and my mother says was 25, and 25, 36. Got it? My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. When was her sister born? In 1926. Where? Frankfurt. And in which country? Germany. I was born on 12 June 1929. That was the birth of the girl who is writing the diary, Anne Frank. कह रही मेरे पापा बहुत अच्छे पापा हैं. And when he was 36-year-old, he got married with my mother. She was 26-year-old. My sister was born on 26, and I was born in 12 June 1929. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. जब तक वो 4 साल की रही. Where they were living? Frankfurt. My father emigrated to Holland in 1933. मेरे पापा, where did they go? They had gone to Holland in 1933. My mother, Edith Hollander. What was the name of the mother? Edith Hollander Frank went with him to Holland in September. And in the month of September, my mother also went with my father. While Margot and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother, and I and my sister were not going with my parents, and we were sent to Aachen, and we were living with my grandmother. That was the starting of the life of the girl. कि पापा और मम्मी चले गए हॉलैंड, मैं रह गई, मेरी सिस्टर रह गई ग्रैंडमदर के पास. Margot went to Holland in December. हॉलैंड कब गई मार्गोट? दिसंबर में. एंड आई फॉलोड इन फैब. ये क्यों जा रहे थे भाई गैप देकर? वहाँ गड़बड़ हो रही थी. जर्मनी में एक साथ नहीं लिख रहे लोग. पता है तुम लोगों को हिटलर बहुत बड़ा तमाशा था. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में बहुत ज़्यादा आगे तक बढ़ गए थे वो लोग. हिटलर शायद 1942 में था, 19 आई डोंट नो, बट दिस इज ट्रू कि जर्मनी का तमाशा हिटलर था और बहुत ही डेंजरस आदमी था. When I was plucked down on a table as a birthday present for Margot, and when यानी मैं गई तब मैंने बर्थडे प्रेजेंट लिया मार्गोट के लिए. उस टाइम पे मेरी सिस्टर का बर्थडे था. I started right away at the Montessori nursery school, and where in Holland she had started her education. Montessori nursery school. I stayed there until I was 6. जब तक वो 6 साल की थी तब तक वो वहीं पे रही हॉलैंड में. At which time I started in the first form. First form of class. In the sixth form of my teacher was Mrs. Kuprush, the headmistress. कह रही कि जब मैं 6 साल की हुई, my teacher Kuprush, headmistress, at the end of the year we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. जब मेरा जाने का टाइम हुआ हॉलैंड से स्कूल से, दैट वॉज हार्ट ब्रेकिंग फेयरवेल. हम दोनों रोए थे, मेरी हेडमिस्ट्रेस और मैं, मेरी टीचर और मैं दोनों रोए थे जब हमने एक दूसरे को अलविदा कहा. इन द समर ऑफ 1941 ग्रैंडमा फेल इल. हु फेल इल? ग्रैंडमा. दादी जी बीमार हो गई एंड हैड टू हैव एन ऑपरेशन. उसका ऑपरेशन होना था. So my birthday passed with little celebration, and at the same time I also going to celebrate my birthday, but because of illness of my grandmother, that was ordinary birthday. कुछ भी celebrate नहीं किया गया. Grandma died in January 1942. कौन किसका देहांत हो गया? Grandma. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. यानी the girl was unable to express her feeling to the other people. How she was missing her grandmother. Okay, कोई नहीं जानता कि how she missed her grandmother, how she loved her, how deep love she had for her grandmother. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for other, and grandma's candle was light along with the rest. जब मेरा ये बर्थडे आया, उस बर्थडे में मेरे कैंडल के साथ साथ ग्रैंडमदर का कैंडल भी जलाया गया. The 4 of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. 4 of us living with our life casually, nobody having any problem. After the death of grandmother, that is the we can say description. Next oral comprehension questions आते हैं. Why does Anne provide a brief sketch of her life so that the people can understand what she is going to express and what she had expressed? लोगों को समझ में आ जाए कि लोग उसको अच्छे से समझ जाए, इसीलिए. What tells you that Anne loved her grandmother? Because उसने she loved her grandmother too much and nobody was able to understand the deep feeling of the girl for her grandmother. Okay, next is dearest Kitty. So what we have discussed in this chapter, it is also most important thing for us कि it was the diary of a छोटी सी बच्ची, बोले तो of a little girl. Got it? I'm just using this word so that can make an effect. एक 13-year-old girl. This is the diary of a 13-year-old girl, and what she has expressed, that is important. When the child on 13 year or 14 year, they are known as a teenager, and उनकी एक लिमिटेशन होती है. वो छोटी स्टोरीज लिख सकते हैं जानवरों के बारे में, अपनी कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में, लेकिन वो लड़की एक मैच्योर राइटर की तरह, लाइक शी वॉज ए मैच्योर राइटर, शी वॉज एक्सप्रेसिंग हर फीलिंग्स. तुम समझ सकते हो कि शी वॉज ए गर्ल, मे बी और 11 or 10 year old girl. Then she told that when her grandmother was died, she could not able to express her feelings to other, and nobody paid any attention on me. Nobody paid any attention on me, that how I feel. That was a deep sorrow for her, but she was unable to express her feelings. So dear children, I hope you have understood this. Tomorrow we will discuss more about that. Till then, okay, bye.